What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's going on, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. For you guys that may not know, how y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have all of you, both old and new, boo. What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be unboxing something that I'm already irritated with before I even open the box, and it is the box by Fashionsta. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm not too pleased with this company right now because we'll go into that in a minute. If you guys want to see what's inside of November's The Box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the box's shipping. Okay, guys, what's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? How y'all been? How was y'all holiday? If you guys celebrated Thanksgiving or not, tell me how your day was. I had a wonderful time for Thanksgiving. You guys know I spent it in Tennessee with my family. And I'm going to tell you right now, nobody warned me about this road going up to those cabins. Ooh. Girl, talk about scary. Oh my God. We'll do a vacation video probably later this week or early next week. I'm going to talk about my vacation and all kind of good things that I've been doing recently. So yeah, guys, be on the lookout for that. If you haven't already subscribed to your girl, go ahead on, hit that button, subscribe, be a part of the bomb ass subscriber squad. And while you're at it, go on and give it a thumbs up too, boo, because you know you're gonna like it, right? Yeah. Oh, make sure those notification bells are on because I'm very active in my community tab, as well as I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 8 a.m. I know this morning's video is a little late, but y'all, it's been a time for me. I've been so busy. Okay, guys, so let's get on into the box. I'm not gonna keep y'all long today because I don't wanna waste too much time on a November's box, and it is December. You know what I'm saying? Yes. I'm really irritated with this company because, first of all, they take my payment out on the 1st of every month. And every month I'm getting my box later and later and later. I didn't even get November's box until yesterday, I think. Yes, yesterday I got November's box and it was already December 2nd or 3rd. It's like, okay, y'all, what is going on? I understand you're waiting on a product, but you can't like fill it with something else and maybe next month put that product into the box. I mean, I don't know. I'm just not happy with the shipping. I'm not happy with the fact that they take my payment out on the 1st and I don't get my box until late into the month. I don't like that. Tell me down below what you guys think. I mean, I'm just not feeling that about this box, you know. Okay. So we're going to do a couple little specs and we're just going to unbox it. And I'm going to give you guys a couple little updates at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned for that, guys. So without further ado, let's get on into the specs. And then we're going to unbox this box, y'all. For you guys that do not know, the box is a $19.99 per month beauty subscription. It has free shipping, guys. And you're supposed to get, I think it's 5 to 7 full-size beauty products, and it's supposed to have a value of anywhere from $80 to $150. So, yeah. This is a vegan and cruelty-free box as well. So, let's get on into it. Every month, it comes in this standard black box with the box on the front. It seems like it's been forever since I've been in front of the camera. This is what it looks like on the inside, guys. And on the top here, it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. And yeah, they give a hashtag and everything. It is kind of heavy this month, though. Every month, it comes with this little card here that says the box, and it is telling us that it's giving back to charity, 1736 Family Crisis Center, right here, so we do like that. And every month we get a card with a description of the product as well as the prices and the full retail value on the bottom here. So we're just gonna, you know, do like we normally do. Y'all know. I haven't even opened the little seal yet, so we're gonna do that now. That's what it's looking like on the inside. First up, I am seeing from Sutra Beauty this rejuvenating hair serum. And it's paraben free, and you get 60 mils of product in it. This is what the box looks like, guys. Now, y'all already know how I feel about getting hair products, and I hope that this month's box is not full of skincare, because I'm gonna be very upset. If it's, and I'm looking at it, it's looking like it's got maybe 2 or 3 makeup products. Okay. I haven't seen any spoilers, I don't think, on this box. Haven't watched any unboxings of November's box yet. Oh, wow, boo. Isn't she bougie and fancy? Absolutely. Even if I don't use this, I'm probably just going to put this behind me. Oh, this is a very bougie bottle, y'all. That's what it looks like. Very cute. I love, not a packaging is on, boo. Oh yeah, I like the packaging. So this is the rejuvenating hair serum, and it's in this little fancy bottle, and it has a little pump on it. And it says it's a rejuvenating hair serum formulated to give instant relief to hair follicles immediately after heat has been applied. This serum penetrates the porous hair shaft, which protects structure, minimizing frizz, while keeping your hair silky soft. And this retails, guys, for $45. Okay, I've heard of Sutra Beauty before, so okay. Y'all know usually this box gives me a lot of brands I've never heard of, so at least I got one that I know of. Okay, guys, so up next we have from Millennial Beauty this Bud Naked CBD Booty Scrub. Now, I want to know if Millennial Beauty have like a fascination with asses, boo, because I received their booty mask in my Bijou Beauty box that had mold in it because they didn't add the preservatives to it. So I'm wondering if it's the same situation with this, which, by the way, Bijou has not sent my replacement yet, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. We'll talk about that in my next Bijou unboxing. Anyway, guys, so yes, we have the Bud Naked CBD Booty Scrub, and I'm sure you can use this all over your body. It has CBD, watermelon, cucumber, and this claims to rejuvenate. It's acne fighting. It's an anti-inflammatory, tones, hydrates, heals, protects. So I'm thinking that you can use this all over your body. And it's a very cute little glass jar here. And let's open it up and see. Now, I don't know. I'm going to have to make sure that I watch some other unboxings to see. It does have a safety seal, guys. Ooh. Ooh. It's like a sugar scrub. I don't know what it smells. I could kind of get a little bit of watermelon flavor, scent, I'm sorry, but I don't know. That's what it looks like though, guys. And let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the, where is it? CBD Sugar Scrub Bud Naked. And this retails for $29. And it just says that it's a natural exfoliant and skin tightening. Smooths and refines your skin with the first ever CBD infused body scrub. I don't know about first ever, but it helps exfoliate, refine, and smooth the skin. Yeah, so, it helps reduce stretch marks and aid in cellular production. Okay, cool. We'll probably test this out, but I gotta watch some other videos first to see if anyone had any issues with this product. Up next, I am pulling out from Lurella. I've never heard of this brand either. And it's this, I'm assuming, a liquid lipstick. Yes, right there. And this is in the shade Ari. I don't know if y'all can see that, but let's see. Oh, this is what the color looks like, guys. And it smells like, you know, a regular. Ooh, is this a concealer? I don't know, it says liquid lipstick. That's what the shade looks like on me, guys. I don't know. We could put some on and see. Let's put a little bit on and see. I already had some other lipstick on, so I just put it on top. I don't know how universal this shade will be. I'm not really feeling like this coffin colored lipstick. It's like, I don't know. Y'all know how I feel about looking and being dead. Like, this This make your mouth look dry like you're some kind of, I don't know. I don't know. What y'all think? Let me know down in the comments below. I don't think it looks bad, but I just look like I have an ashy mouth. You know I'm not walking around like that. So let's see what this retails for. And this, guys, is the Lorella Liquid Matte Lipstick, and it retails for $10. Up next, we have from Fig and Yarrow, this Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Water. You get 4 fluid ounces of product in here. It's a hydrating skin toner with a blend of pure essential oils and herbal extracts for superlative skin nourishment. That's what it looks like, guys. That's the bottle here. It's a glass bottle, and that's the little sprayer right there on top. And it's just like a setting spray. I don't know. It said mist lightly over face and body. Apply after cleanser and before nutrient booster, or anytime for an uplifting and renewing dose of hydration. So I guess you use it before you prime, just to give your face like some added hydration before your makeup application. Let's see what the spritzer look like. Ooh, it's a lot come out. Yeah. Oh, it smells like Desitin butt cream. You know that Desitin baby diaper rash stuff? That's what it smells like. Ooh, yeah, yeah. That's what it smells like to me. I don't know, y'all. I guess. Okay, I like the bottle. I like getting a misting spray. I don't know. Let's see how much this retails for, guys. And this is the Orange Blossom Lavender Complexion Water from Fig and Yarrow, and it retails for $34. Okay. It does say on here, though, that it extracts for soothing, smoothing, cleansing, balancing, and youthful enhancement benefits. So we only have 5 products this month. Last up in the box, we have from Cara Beauty. And I've heard of this brand before, too. I think I received some lashes from this company in my Lashy box or Glow Addict box, one of them. Or maybe it was like a highlighter or something. Yeah. So Cara Beauty Midnight Garden Shadow Palette. That's what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. Oh, it kind of matches with my shirt, y'all. See that? Ow, shit. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. You slide it out. It's still the same packaging. They have the names of the shadows on the back here. And, oh, okay. Oh, this is pretty. It does come with this little plastic and a mirror. Hey, girl. And these are the shades right here in the palette. You have a beautiful mixture of blues and purples and pinks and browns, like a lot of neutral colors with pops of color. You have, looks like, one really glitter shade, and the rest are metallic and shimmer shades and matte shades. So this is a very pretty palette, guys. This is what they look like on my fingertips, guys. And that's at least 4 of the colors swatched out right there. They swatch out really nice. I actually like, okay, they swatch out really nice. So, okay, guys, we'll play with this palette too. Let's see what this baby retails for. And this is the Midnight Garden Shadow Palette, and it retails for $18, guys. Okay, all right, guys. So that was my final product in this month's box. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to rate the box, and we'll be done. Okay. So we have the Midnight Garden palette from Cara Beauty. We received from Sutra this hair serum here. From Fig and Yarrow, this complexion water. From Lorella, this liquid lipstick for the dead. And also from Millennial Beauty, this booty. From Millennial Beauty, this Butt Naked Booty Scrub. So that's 5 products for this month. Final thoughts. Okay, final thoughts on this box is, first of all, the box is going to lose 1.5 points from me for being so late. That's number 1. I'm not really too thrilled about this month's box, guys. Now, a couple months ago, I unboxed my first one, and I'll link all of those videos down below if you want to check it out. I really wasn't, too over the top thrilled about my very first box. I think last month's box was my best box. I don't know. And to only get 5 products, see, they started out with a bang of like 7 products, and now we down to 5, and I don't know. It's okay. I mean, I'll use some of the products, but I don't know how often I will pick up these products to use. But I am going to definitely use this palette. I'm going to try the booty scrub. I'll spritz this on before my makeup application. I don't know about the hair serum yet. And the lipstick, I probably, I don't know. But yeah, I like a more makeup heavy box. You guys know that. And I'm noticing we only got 2 makeup products this month. And they didn't have a really high value, $18 and $10, which, you know, pays for the box because it's only $19 box. But I don't know. I guess it's okay. I guess it's okay. I just don't like that it comes super late. And then I'm not like super excited over the box. So let me know down below what you guys think. And if you're still here, go on and put the kisses, you know, the little TonyaNicole lips down in the comments below to let me know you still here, boo. Okay, guys, so if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1, this box is garbage. Throw it to the damn fire! To 5, this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying? Boo, we're going to give the box, since it lost a 1.5 for this month already, we're going to give the box for this month a 2.5. Maybe to 3. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know y'all rating on this box. I'm just not, you know, too like over the top about none of the products this month. So, I mean, you know you're going to have hit and misses. And guys, this is my own personal opinion. Some of you guys may love this box, but just for me, I'm not really feeling the box too much. Not this month. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But yes, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to your girl. Give this video a big thumbs up. Starting next unboxing, guys, I will start doing shout outs on my channel to all of my bomb ass subscriber squad people who are the first 5 to comment. I will start shouting you guys out, so make sure your notification bells are on so that you can get the shout out, boo. Yeah. So that's something new we're going to be bringing to the channel. Also, guys, I did pick the giveaway winner for my Lash Me Monthly, the highlighter. Miss Gigi Love won that one. So thank you, Gigi, so much. I will be shipping your package out hopefully tomorrow. If not, it will be on Monday. I have not picked my winner for my Slay Glam. I think it was a palette and something else I'm giving away. That will be announced in Friday's video. And if we don't have any video for Friday, I'm just going to announce it on the community tab as well as Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me on both of those. It's Tonya.Nicole with 2 E's on Instagram. And make sure you're subscribed, I said, and notification bells are on for my YouTube channel. Yes, guys. So that is all that I have for today. I'm sorry the video came out so late today, but I filmed it today because I was at work and I've been so super busy. That's why I haven't had a chance to pull a giveaway winner, and I apologize for that, guys. I will have that out as soon as I can. So yes, guys, I hope you all enjoy your Wednesday. It's hump day. Go hump something. Go hump something. All right, guys. Until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so, so, so much. Peace.